This is the Gskyer 8400 refractor telescope. Let's unbox it and see what comes inside. Everything is well protected inside, so it arrives safely no matter where you are. Each part is individually packed. Let's take them out one by one. Here's the main optical tube. This is where the magic happens. 80mm aperture, fully coated lenses. This is the adjustable tripod, sturdy, lightweight, and perfect for stable night viewing. Inside this box are all the key accessories you'll need for the Gskyer 8400. Let's take them out one by one. This is the finder scope, a small sighting tool that helps you quickly aim the telescope. The diagonal mirror allows more comfortable viewing, especially when looking overhead. This is the solar filter, and essential for safe sun observation. Here's the 3x Barlow lens, which increases the magnification of the 5mm, 10mm, and 25mm eyepieces by 3 times. This is the finder scope bracket used to mount and align the finder scope. And here are the 3 eyepieces, 5mm, 10mm, and 25mm, giving you different viewing powers. This slow motion control rod lets you smoothly track celestial objects across the sky. This is the smartphone adapter with a Bluetooth remote for easy astrophotography. Now let's lay everything out. This is what comes in the box with your 8400. Start by expanding the tripod and adjusting it to a comfortable height. Lock it in place with the clasps. Then, snap the accessory tray into place. It adds stability and gives you a handy place for tools, just like I'm doing here by placing the telescope lenses on it. First, align the control handle with the mount, insert it, and twist to tighten. This will let you adjust the telescope up, down, left, and right. Now place the optical tube onto the tripod mount and tighten it gently. Let's attach the finder scope bracket, align it with the base, and fasten the screws securely. Slide the finder scope into the bracket, pointing in the same direction as the main telescope. Now insert the diagonal mirror into the back of the optical tube. It makes viewing much easier from different angles. We'll start with the 25mm eyepiece for wide field viewing. Just slide it in and secure it with the side screws. Next is the smartphone adapter. Place the eyepiece into the holder, tighten both side screws to keep it stable. Then clip your phone into place and align the camera with the eyepiece. This lets you capture what you see. Connect the included Bluetooth remote to your phone. Now you can take photos without touching the screen. And that's it. The Gskyer 8400 is now fully assembled and ready to take you on a journey across the night sky.